Hi guys, it's Songkran. It's me, Jeffrey from Travel Bites.
And me, Sydney.
Yep, today we're gonna go on a water fest or water fight Songkran festival. But first, what is Songkran Day?
Songkrans mean change. This is when the sun makes its way in another lunar cycle. So it represents a new year. And the beginning of Songkran is believed that it started in India from the Hindu religion, where they splash each other with color for blessing and keeping the body and spirit healthy. And over time, this tradition kind of develops and change into Songkran, what we see today.
Songkran is in March every year around like the 13, 14, 15, around there, depending on the lunar calendar. And for Bangkok and general, it's 3 days. But actually, there's other places that play Songkran more, like Chiang Mai. They play for 5 days and they started before us. Or like in Pattaya, they will end after Bangkok, maybe 5 more days after Bangkok. That's mostly because it's like a tourist place.
Today we are heading to Wat Tamai or Tamai Temple to play Songkran.
Nam op and some flowers and water. Nam op is like it's like a perfume but very mild. So we'd use that to put in water so it smells good. Ice water. Evil Sydney.
Unless we get splashed.
Here behind me are spirits of each individual day. Like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday have their own spirit, and we ask for blessing from each individual spirit's day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, all the way to Saturday. Three days in a year that when you are splashed with water, you can get angry. Yeah, it's like a cold powder. This is it for us today with Songkran or Thai New Year's. Like I said, we have 3 days of Songkran. There's a day that we go and make married at the temple, a day that we spend with the family, and for the day that we pay respect for the elderlies. Alright guys, so if you guys enjoy, don't forget to press that like and subscribe button.
Don't forget to share.
Yes, and then see you guys next week. That is it for us today for our little vlog on New Year's in Thailand. Catch you guys later. Bye.